morning after.
Shut the fuck up.
What drugs can do to you kids?
I don't know.
Oh gosh, wow.
Oh, that's cute.
This is definitely going all over Facebook.
I'm just feeling your heartbeat.
Stop with the fucking video and
Really?
the rape right
Can you
here.
get a shot of this
Right
I got a shot. I got this.
Ah!
So cute.
This is gonna be like 10 hours. Oh my god! Pelvis thrust! That's so inappropriate!
This is not Facebook material.
This is not acting class material either.
Everybody fuck now. Everybody fuck now.
Discussing sexual matters with Summer Uranian. Today we will discuss feeling out of the loop. Being the third wheel, kicked to the curb. How it feels to have your best friend have sex next to you while you sit simply on the edge of the bed. She is a disgusting whore, but I like to call my friend sometimes. Then I have the loop. And then there's me.
This looks
As you can see, now I'm entangled in it. As you can see, I'm obviously left out. Sitting kicked to the edge of the bed. While I experience emotion in positions no one on this world has ever felt before. Let's dive deep inside to see how they feel. So, how do you feel about this? Please tell us. Please tell us. Stop! Please tell us.
This is awkward. I feel like there's nothing going on here, so this is not a bad
How do you feel? Oh, this
I'm wearing jeans.
Didn't you say you were gonna get that?
So I have to open the door.
I'll get that.
Oh, hell no. Hey.
Stop!
Fiona?
No!
You're gonna break it!
Fiona?
It's still recording. It's still recording.
Fiona?
Stop!
Fiona? We're mobbing.
It's recording! I'm wasting my film! Film! Ow!
That's Zach! Michelle's a hodge. Michelle's a hodge. Michelle's a hodge.